Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E550, and today we're going to be replacing this shifter knob. And to replace this assembly, we're going to first open the ashtray, and then you're going to stick your fingers into the space and lift, just like that. And now you have a gap, it's lifted. We're going to shift the shifter into neutral and then slowly lift this assembly up. Just like this. There's some wires attached on the bottom and I'm going to disconnect them. Here are the two wires that I disconnected. Next, I'm going to unlock this lock right here. This locking mechanism that's holding the shifter knob in place. It's just a twist. It's twisted. I'm going to pull down a little and then pull my shifter up, and the complete assembly comes right out. And now you could shift the car back into park. Here's the open space area now. Here's the two wires that I disconnected, the shifter handle, and now to install the new piece, I'm going to be upgrading it with the other wood. Here's the part I'm going to be replacing it with. This wood matches the wood that I previously had installed, and it also has a silver accent which I wanted. So I'm going to put this hole right onto the stick, push it down, just like that, and then we're going to lock the shifter into place. So just twist, and it's locked. Next, we're going to reconnect the two wires. And now that I have the two wires reconnected, I'm going to push the assembly down. And here are the two tabbings. They're going to go straight into the hole, just like that. Once it's aligned, we're going to push the front down, and if it doesn't get pushed down, just give it a good tap. And then the same here. And I'm going to be changing the wood trim all across the car. All these trims are going to be changed into that color. I'm doing a full build on this E550. I'm restoring it and upgrading it. So please give this video a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.